Hello everyone. Today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can send message to multiple contacts on your iPhone. So yeah, for that, open your messages app, and then you see the top from the top right corner this icon. Just tap once, and from here you need to type the name of the person you want to send a message. For example, I am typing my friend's name. This is number one, and also another one, and then you just need to add the person you want to send a message at the same time, and after that just need to type the message, and then you press the arrow button from here. All right, this arrow button on the right corner. After pressing the arrow button, the message will be sent to the person. Yeah, so this is how you send message to multiple people on iPhone.